This is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate a few useful camera tricks and tips on this device. So to begin with, I would like to demonstrate that you can gain more manual control over whatever photos or videos that you take. So basically what it means is that you will be able to change a lot of camera parameters manually. So in order to enter before I start, if you would like to do such thing for photos, you will need to enter the Pro mode. If videos respectively, recording videos, is that what you mean, that's going to be the film or movie mode. So in order to enter either of aforementioned modes, you will need to enter the more section in the camera. Then here is the Pro mode, which allows you to manually set values for ISO, shutter speed, exposure, focus, and white balance. And the movie mode for recording videos, which, as you can see, also provides you with an opportunity to manually change values for ISO, shutter speed, exposure, focus, and white balance. So the next tip that I have is how you can film, or rather shoot photos at which will have significantly more resolution value. So in order to do that, you will need to enter the 50mm camera mode, which, as you could have already guessed, stands for 50 megapixels. And basically, while taking pictures with this mode, you will get significantly more detailed photos, as well as photos of improved quality. So if I will go into the picture details, you'll see that the resolution or dimensions are as follows. But at the same time, while doing 50 megapixel pictures, they do occupy significantly more storage space as well. So you have to factor that in. The next tip that I have is how you can customize and generally manage the camera watermark feature. So in order to do that, you will need to go into the settings. Then over here, tap at the watermark, turn it on by enabling this switch. Then you can choose whether you would like to apply your watermark to photos, videos, or both. Then over here you can set some custom text for your watermark to display. So I will not be original and set this text to be hard reset. And you can also decide whether you would like for the device model to be included into the watermark and timestamp. You might also want to change the font size and its positioning. And now, once I will take a picture, the saved watermark, as you can see, will be successfully applied. The next tip is, the final one that I wanted to share with you as the smallest one. So if you do not want to put your device into the silent mode, you would like to still hear the ringtone or system sounds, but you are being annoyed by the shutter click, which I can absolutely, stand behind. So you can just solely or separately disable the shutter sound and mute it by going into camera settings and turning off this little toggle over here. And now, if you will take pictures, the shutter will not produce any sound at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.